Daily routine, past simple. I woke up early. I brushed my teeth. I washed my face. I took a shower. I ate breakfast. I drank water. I went to school. I studied English. I read a book. I wrote in my notebook. At home. I cleaned my room. I helped my family. I cooked food. I watched TV. I listened to music. At the market. I went to the market. I bought vegetables. I bought fruit. I paid the money. I talked to the seller. I woke up early. I got up at 6 a.m. I brushed my teeth. I washed my face. I took a shower. I got dressed. I ate breakfast. I drank water. I drank coffee. I went to school. At school. I arrived at school on time. I met my teacher. I studied English. I listened carefully. I spoke English. I read my lesson. I wrote sentences. I asked questions. I answered questions. I learned new words. At home. I went home. I opened the door. I closed the door. I ate lunch. I helped my family. I cleaned my room. I cooked food. I watched TV. I listened to music. I rested in the afternoon. At the market. I went to the market. I bought vegetables. I bought fruit. I talked to the seller. I paid the money. The seller helped me. The seller smiled at me. The market opened early. People bought food. The seller sold fresh food. General sentences. I liked English. I loved my family. I played with my friends. I walked to school. I ran in the morning. I worked hard. I felt happy. I felt tired. I slept at 10 p.m. I thanked God.